Welcome back, explorers, to Reaby, the Learning Lab. Today in Cargo Bay, everything is happening all at once. Some ships are adding cargo, some ships are removing cargo. Can you figure out when to add and when to subtract? Before we get started, here's what we're learning today. Solving mixed operation problems, deciding when to add, deciding when to subtract, knowing when to regroup or borrow, and checking our answers. The math story tells us what to do. We just have to listen carefully. A ship delivered crate 36 and another ship delivered crate 27. Do we add or do we subtract? Add. We add the ones first. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Regroup. 13 ones becomes 1 10 and 3 ones. Now add the tens. 3 tens plus 2 tens plus 1 regroup 10 equals 6 tens. So 36 plus 27 equals 63. Let's do another one. Crate 74 is on the dock and crate 58 is about to leave. Do we add or do we subtract? Subtract. We subtract the ones first. 4 subtract 8 equals. We don't have enough ones, so we need to borrow. We borrow 1 10. Now we have 6 tens and 14 ones. 14 ones subtract 8 ones equals 6 ones. Now the tens. 6 tens minus 5 tens equals 1 10. So 74 minus 58 equals 16. Let's sing the add or subtract song.
Add or subtract, look at the clue. Are crates coming or leaving you? Add the ones, more than 9. Bundle a 10, that works just fine. Subtract the ones, too small to do. Borrow a 10, that helps you. Now do the tens, nice and slow. Check your work before you go. Cargo control, we know what to do. Blue Harbor Math Crew.
Remember, decide first, add or subtract. Your turn, explorers! Challenge 1. A ship delivers crate 48 and 35. What do we do? Correct, we add 48 to 35 to get 83. Challenge 2. Crate 82 is on the dock and crate 47 is leaving. What do we do? Correct, we subtract 47 from 82 to get 35. Challenge 3. A ship delivers crate 59 and 18. What do we do? Correct, we add 59 to 18 to get 77. Challenge 4. Crate 91 is on the dock and crate 36 is leaving. What do we do? Correct, we subtract 36 from 91 to get 55. Let's review what we learned today. You solved mixed operation problems. You decided when to add, you decided when to subtract, you knew when to regroup or borrow, and you checked your answers. Great job completing all of the learning objectives. For mastering addition and subtraction, you've earned the Cargo Controller badge. Congratulations. You know to add or subtract the ones first and regroup or borrow when needed. Next time, explorers, we leave Cargo Bay and head to Tide Clock Plaza. Time and money are waiting. See you in Lesson 11. Bye, explorers.